So, cooling off metals faster or slower can lead to remarkably different properties in metal because it changes how fast different crystals form to make the crystals bigger or smaller, how much defects they have, and beyond that, different materials start forming structures in the complex metals like iron, nickel, or something at different temperatures, so it affects how rate of the metal distribution and stuff, and all sorts of things. One cool way I've heard about making metals harder and more strong is to spray little metal powder, spray little metal droplets, and rapidly cool them in the nitrogen atmosphere. But I think a faster way of potential cooling, and maybe making an even more better one, is instead you make a sheet that you rapidly cool, then you spray on a new layer, rapidly cool that layer, and so on and so on. The reason why I think this is better than maybe making one big giant spray of metal droplets across, these metal droplets, if you want to form a big thing, you have to fuse together later on again. And this fusing later on again will cause some of the structures you made to be lost. Well, a big sheet of metal, there's less of a structure you have to fuse together. And if you put something on top, it's going to some extent fuse and use the other bottom layer as a seed layer and get some of that structure. Another idea along that line maybe is to instead keep it really hot and press with a lot of force, then cool it off, because when something is pressed, it becomes solid at a lower temperature and condenses. Now, pressing also does other changes, but it's also an idea maybe to more rapidly cool off stuff. Well, thank you for listening, and really helps turn out. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers in a year, 4,000 watch hours, which is really hard. Please help, I think, to do it. Also, if any ideas for future videos, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. Again, thank you very much. Goodbye.